There is a system that any homeowner can build over a single weekend using materials available at every hardware store for under $200 total that can supply the majority of a household's non-drinking water needs completely free for the entire life of the home. Municipal water utilities across the United States collect over $100 billion annually from residential water customers, and a significant portion of that revenue comes from water you use to flush toilets, irrigate gardens, wash vehicles, and run washing machines, water that never needed to come from a treatment plant or travel through aging municipal infrastructure in the first place. This system has been used continuously by human civilizations for over 4,000 years across every continent on Earth. Ancient Rome built entire cities around it. Colonial American farmhouses were designed with it as a primary feature. It was standard residential construction practice in the United States until the mid-20th century, when centralized municipal water systems expanded aggressively and the knowledge quietly disappeared from mainstream home building guides, not because the system stopped working, but because a customer who collects their own water is a customer who buys less water from the utility. And a water utility that sells less water collects less revenue. The system is rainwater harvesting directly from your roof, and what falls on your house every year represents thousands of gallons of completely free water that you're currently paying to replace with municipally treated and billed water, while nature delivers the alternative directly to your rooftop at no charge whatsoever. I am Dr. Elias Moreau, and this is where we examine the knowledge that industries and government agencies have spent decades allowing to fade from public consciousness, because an informed and self-sufficient homeowner is the single greatest threat to utility revenue models ever conceived. If water independence matters to you, subscribe right now and hit the bell, because what I am about to show you will permanently change how you see every rainstorm that falls on your home. Before I walk you through exactly how to build this system and what it will save you, you need to understand the true scale of what is falling on your roof every single year and being wasted while you pay the water company for a replacement. The calculation for how much water your roof can collect is straightforward, and the results are staggering once you see the actual numbers. For every inch of rainfall that falls on 1,000 square feet of roof surface, you can collect approximately 600 gallons of water after accounting for normal evaporation and system losses. The average American home has a roof surface area of between 1,500 and 2,000 square feet. The average annual rainfall across most of the continental United States ranges from 20 to 50 inches per year, depending on your region. If you have a 1,500 square foot roof in an area receiving 30 inches of annual rainfall, your roof is receiving and currently wasting approximately 27,000 gallons of free water every single year. The water flows into your gutters, down your downspouts, and directly into the storm drain, where it disappears completely and permanently. Meanwhile, you pay the municipal water utility for every gallon that comes through your tap. According to the American Water Works Association, the average American household uses approximately 300 gallons of water per day. Of that total daily consumption, the Environmental Protection Agency estimates that only about 10% is actually consumed through drinking and cooking. The remaining 90% goes to toilet flushing, which accounts for 27%, garden and lawn irrigation, which accounts for 30% on average during growing seasons, laundry, which accounts for 22%, and other non-consumption uses like vehicle washing and general cleaning. You are paying treated drinking water prices for every gallon of water used in every one of those non-drinking applications. And nature is delivering a free alternative to your rooftop every single time it rains, while your current gutter system is engineered specifically to throw that free water away as efficiently as possible. Now let me show you exactly what a basic residential rainwater harvesting system looks like, what it costs to build, and what it will save you annually starting from the first month you have it operational. The fundamental components of a rainwater collection system are a clean roof surface that acts as your catchment area, gutters and downspouts that already exist on most homes, a first flush diverter that automatically discards the first small volume of water from each rain event, which contains the highest concentration of roof contaminants, a series of storage tanks or barrels connected together, a basic filtration setup appropriate for your intended use, and a distribution method to get the water where you need it. For a basic entry-level system designed to supply garden irrigation, toilet flushing, and laundry water for a typical home, here is exactly what you need and what it costs. Standard 55-gallon food-grade plastic barrels available at hardware stores or farm supply stores cost between $15 and $30 each. Connecting 4 of these barrels together using standard PVC fittings and a simple overflow linking system gives you 220 gallons of storage capacity for a material cost of approximately $80 to $120. A first flush diverter kit costs between $15 and $25 and installs directly into your existing downspout in under 30 minutes. Basic gutter screens to prevent leaf and debris entry cost under $20 for a typical home. A standard garden hose, spigot fitting installed at the base of your storage barrel costs under $5. total system cost for a functional entry-level 4-barrel rainwater harvesting setup is between $120 and $170 using all new materials, or under $80 if you source the barrels secondhand from food processing companies, car washes, or restaurant supply businesses that regularly sell used food-grade barrels for $5 to $10 each. Here is the exact installation process that any homeowner can complete in a single Saturday morning without professional assistance and without any specialized tools beyond a drill, a hole saw bit, and basic hand tools. Step 1. Select the downspout location that receives the most consistent rainfall runoff from your largest roof section. Typically, the downspout closest to the center of your longest roof ridge. Step 2. Install gutter guards or screens over the gutters, feeding your chosen downspout to prevent leaves, twigs, and large debris from entering the collection system. Step 3. Cut your existing downspout at a height approximately 6 inches above where the top of your storage barrel will sit, and install the first flush diverter at the cut point according to the manufacturer instructions included with the kit. The first flush diverter automatically captures and discards the first 2 to 5 gallons of water from each rain event. The portion that washes bird droppings, dust, pollen, and atmospheric pollutants off the roof surface before the cleaner water that follows is diverted into your storage barrels. Step 4. Position your storage barrels on a level elevated surface like concrete blocks or a simple wooden platform. Here is the exact installation process that any homeowner can complete in a single Saturday morning without professional assistance and without any specialized tools beyond a drill, a hole saw bit, and basic hand tools. Step 1. Select the downspout location that receives the most consistent rainfall runoff from your largest roof section, typically the downspout closest to the center of your longest roof ridge. Step 2. Install gutter guards or screens over the gutters, feeding your chosen downspout to prevent leaves, twigs, and large debris from entering the collection system. Step 3. Cut your existing downspout at a height approximately 6 inches above where the top of your storage barrel will sit, and install the first flush diverter at the cut point according to the manufacturer instructions included with the kit. The first flush diverter automatically captures and discards the first 2 to 5 gallons of water from each rain event. The portion that washes bird droppings, dust, pollen, and atmospheric pollutants off the roof surface before the cleaner water that follows is diverted into your storage barrels. Step 4. Position your storage barrels on a level elevated surface like concrete blocks or a simple wooden platform. Elevating the barrels even 6 inches creates enough gravity pressure to give your outlet spigot usable water flow without any pump. Step 5. Drill overflow and linking holes between your barrels at the appropriate heights, using a hole saw bit, and connect them with short sections of PVC pipe and waterproof fittings so that when the first barrel fills, water automatically flows into the second barrel, then the third, and then the fourth. Step 6. Install a standard hose spigot at the base of your first barrel for easy access and connection to a garden hose. Step 7. Install a secure mesh screen cover over the top opening of each barrel to prevent mosquito breeding, which is the single most important maintenance step in any rainwater system. Installation complete. Total time for a first-time installer is approximately 4 to 6 hours. Total cost is described as between $120 and $170. Now let me show you the financial savings, because this is where the numbers make everything completely clear. The average American household water bill is approximately $70 per month or $840 per year, according to the most recent data from the Environmental Protection Agency. If 90% of your household water use is for non-drinking applications that could theoretically be supplied by harvested rainwater, the maximum possible saving from a fully developed system represents up to $756 per year. A basic 4-barrel entry-level system supplying garden irrigation and outdoor water needs can realistically offset between 20 and 35% of your total annual water bill depending on your rainfall levels and water usage patterns. That equals $168 to $294 saved per year on a $120 one-time investment. Your system pays for itself completely within 4 to 8 months of installation. Every month after that, the water that falls on your roof and flows into your barrels is money that stays in your pocket instead of going to the municipal water utility. A more developed system with 1,000 gallons or more of storage capacity capable of supplying toilet flushing and laundry applications can realistically offset 50 to 70% of your total household water bill, representing annual savings of $420 to $590 on a total system investment of $300 to $500. That investment pays for itself in less than 1 year and then delivers free savings every single year for the entire lifetime of the home. I need to be completely honest with you right now, because integrity matters more to this channel than making grand promises that do not hold up to scrutiny. Rainwater harvesting for non-drinking applications, including garden irrigation, toilet flushing, laundry, and outdoor cleaning, is safe, legal in most states, and supported by published research from the EPA, the American Rainwater Catchment Systems Association, and multiple state environmental agencies. However, using harvested rainwater for drinking and cooking without proper filtration and purification is not something I recommend without a complete filtration system that includes sediment filtration, activated carbon filtration, and ultraviolet sterilization at minimum. Untreated roof runoff can contain bird droppings, atmospheric pollutants, trace metals from roofing materials, and biological contaminants that make it unsafe for direct human consumption without treatment. For drinking water applications, a complete purification system adds $200 to $400 to your setup cost, but produces water that independent laboratory testing has shown meets or exceeds EPA drinking water standards. I'm not telling you to drink unfiltered rainwater. What I am telling you is that the 90% of your household water used that goes to non-drinking applications can be safely and legally supplied by harvested rainwater right now with a $120 weekend installation, and the drinking water purification upgrade is an option for those who want complete water independence. Rainwater harvesting was standard residential practice in the United States for the first 150 years of this nation's history. Every farmhouse, every rural home, and most urban residences were designed with cisterns and collection systems as primary water sources. The knowledge did not disappear because it stopped working. The knowledge faded because the expansion of centralized municipal water systems in the mid-20th century was accompanied by aggressive public messaging that framed tap water as modern and safe while framing rainwater collection as primitive and unnecessary. A homeowner who collects their own water does not pay a water utility. A homeowner who irrigates their garden with rainwater does not pay for the treated municipal water that would otherwise go to those plants. Multiply that by millions of households, and you understand exactly why the $100 billion per year water utility industry has had no interest whatsoever in reminding you that rain falls on your roof for free every single year. I am Dr. Elias Moreau, and this channel exists to return practical self-sufficiency knowledge to the people it was taken from. If this changed how you think about the rain falling on your roof and the water bill arriving in your mailbox every month, subscribe right now and share this video with every homeowner. You know, because every share puts this knowledge back where it belongs, and every subscription tells me to keep opening the vaults that industries have spent decades hoping you would forget exist. The next one is coming very soon, and what has been deliberately allowed to fade from public knowledge this time will save you even more than what you learned here today.